2025 Visakhapatnam steel plant incident. 6 lives, 3 contract violations, and 1 missed gas alarm. Every industrial accident leaves behind a trail of red flags. Sensor spikes, overlapping work permits, ignored maintenance alerts. The problem is not that we lack data. The problem is that we are drowning in it. This is Sentinel, a zero harm intelligence layer for industrial operations. We turn fragmented safety signals into one actionable truth. How much time is left before an incident becomes inevitable? Problem statement 1 asks us to use AI to build safer plants, factories, and energy infrastructures. That is not just about dashboards. It is about preventing the moment a preventable incident becomes irreversible. Today, operators juggle SCADA alarms, permit logs, maintenance sheet, and CCTV feeds. Each system works alone. No one is asking what happens when a gas leak overlaps with hot work during a maintenance window while a contractor is in the zone. Sentinel answers that question in real time with a single metric: time to incident. The Live Risk Command Center is the digital twin of the plant. Here we fuse 24 live sensors across toxic gas, temperature, vibration, pressure, and occupancy, all streaming into one single risk model. And each sensor here is tracked live. Here you can see those sensors. The system detects not just threshold branches, but trends. A gas sensor climbing slowly is treated differently than one spiking because AI should understand acceleration, not just absolutes. And this is the plant twin, which visualizes the risk spatially. What zone C? It starts as a moderate risk zone, but a trend engine is already flagging a gas drift combined with a pending hot work permit. The heat map updates it automatically. This is the core innovation, this critical risk. Time to incident. Instead of saying gas is at 42 ppm, Sentinel says at current condition, we have 12 minutes before the risk becomes critical. That changes the entire response structure from reactive to proactive. See. If time to incident hits zero, Sentinel becomes the incident command system. One tap triggers the emergency response orchestrator. It activates the PA system, evacuates the zone, captures an immutable snapshot of all sensors and permit data, hashes it with SHA-256 for code-ready integrity, and auto-drafts the Factory Act Form 18A incident report. Here it is. The evidence is tamper-proof before the incident is even under investigation. Sign. A contractor files a hot work permit, but the control room knows gas is missing, and those two files never meet until Sentinel. Let's file a new permit. The Digital Permit Intelligence Agent evaluates every request against live sensor data, historical near misses, and regulatory rules. OISD, Factory Act, and plant specific SOPs. And you can see here the permit is blocked. Not because a human saw it, but because the agent connected the permit to a rising gas trend in zone C. Here are the reasons. CO levels exceed critical threshold, S2S levels, CO2 levels above critical. Yeah, and the supervisor can also override with a reason, creating an audit trial. Accountability here is therefore built in, not bolted on. And when a near miss happens, investigators spend hours reading logs and circulars. Sentinel's incident intelligence co-pilot makes every safety officer 10x faster. How? It's a RAG-based assistant grounded in a O-regulatory corpus and incident reports. Every answer is here is cited. The AI does not hallucinate, it retrieves. And lastly, I would like to say Sentinel is not just a dashboard, it's a real-time safety platform system, sensor fusion, AI agents, RAG, co-pilots, and emergency orchestration, all in one full-stack platform. Sentinel, turn risk into time and turn time into life saved.